What do I think about Google? I'm actually a huge fan of Google. Google looks really good right here as long as it holds above 360. So Google is a stock that I do love. What's a stock that you think will rally? So Webull is getting very close to breaking out. It did test that resistance zone at at $7.33. With that being said, if it breaks through that, we're going to see it move very nice towards $9. So that's a stock that I am watching. It hasn't just broken out yet, but Hood did break out today. So we'll see if Hood can hold above that 102.89 level. It'll probably go retest it, and same with Bull. We'll probably see it test that resistance, and most likely will break out here as well. Also we did see SoFi run into resistance as well. So we saw SoFi and we will run into resistance, and then also we saw we saw Hood break out. We got a new Fed. We got a new Fed today. Jerome is not the Fed anymore. SMR. I actually like both SMR and OKLO. Obviously, they did not start. They're not breaking out just yet, but those are some stocks that I do like and that I am watching here in the meantime. We need to see. SMR can head towards $20 if it can start to break out. Obviously, it hasn't just yet, but it is a name that I like. Do you think funds will be good to buy now? I mean, it depends on what you're trying to buy. If you're buying like index funds like VU or QQQ, you could always buy them every single time you get paid, and those will be huge winners. I'm actually a huge fan of APLD. My price target still stands. $60 on APLD is a great. That's the next resistance zone, 55 to 60. So definitely something that I do like. You think tomorrow is going to be choppy? I mean, today was a bit choppy with the Fed meeting, but we will see hopefully more volume and more activity tomorrow with everything going on. But remember, it is a short week, so tomorrow is going to be the last trading day of the week. So tomorrow is essentially going to be like a Friday, so most of the moves are going to be in the morning. Thoughts on Wolf? I actually like Wolf. I think that stock will definitely make a rebound. It was, a huge sell at $70, but it actually ran to like 72, 74. But I still like Hood and Wolf, and it will, rally again. MBIS has been going crazy. Yeah, the market cap on MBIS is still pretty low too. It's about $70 billion or $71 billion. So MBIS has a lot of room to run. You seen Hood pump today? Yeah, so Hood broke out. Like I was talking about yesterday, it broke through that resistance zone at 102.89. The target was 110 on it, and then upward of 115 to 120. If it did continue, obviously, it did give some of the gains back. I wouldn't be surprised if we see it